What if I told you that the sky you see today will not be the same in the future? Right now, at this very moment, Andromeda, our neighboring galaxy, is racing towards us at over 4,000 kilometers per hour, faster than any spaceship we could ever build. Scientists once thought galaxies just drifted in space, but in reality, they are destined to collide, and this is the biggest cosmic showdown in history. But what happens when two galaxies collide? Do stars smash into each other? Will Earth survive, or will our solar system be thrown into the abyss of deep space? When Andromeda crashes into the Milky Way galaxy, rip both galaxies apart. But don't expect an explosion. It's more like an intense cosmic dance, stretching and twisting entire stars. For a brief moment, the night sky will set on fire with the glow of billion new stars forming. But wait, what about us? Will humans still be around to witness all it? By then, the sun will be making slowly expanding into a red giant, likely making our planet habitable. If humanity is still alive, we may be forced to leave our solar system before we are swallowed by the new galaxy Milky Way. But here's the good news: these galaxies are mostly empty space. Stars won't actually collide our solar system. Might just be flung to a different part of the universe. Meaning that if humanity survives that long enough, we may watch the event unfold with our own eyes. So, if you had a chance to travel into the future and witness this position, will you take it? Let me know in the comments. And if you think Andromeda is the only danger we should be worried about until you hear about the next step lurking in our galaxy. Stay tuned.